Hello, welcome. Join me. Let's see if we can use 1 minute to solve this past question, WASI 2009, question 28, as a revision on what we have done, applying the knowledge on trigonometry. This is episode number 24. So if we are having x equals to 3 cos theta and y equals to 2 sin theta, we want to find x squared on 9 plus what? Y squared on 4. So here, if I have x squared on 9, y squared on 4, where x is 3 cos theta and y is 2 sin theta, we substitute, meaning I should be having 3 cos theta all squared divided by 9, then plus 2 sin theta all squared divided by what? 4. We know this is a product, 3 and this. So 2, the square, affect the 3 and affect the square. That will give you 3 squared, 9. Then that is cos, right? So we have cos squared theta divided by 9 in the case of this. Then plus the square affect this, so we have 4. Then we have the sine squared theta divided by 4. What are we seeing here? We can see that the 9 here can cancel this, the 4 can also cancel. So this means I have cos squared theta plus sine squared theta. So if you do a recall, you know that the cos squared theta plus sine squared theta is 1. So this answer is just going to be what? 1. So therefore, your x squared 9, y squared 4 is 1 in terms of the cos and what? The sine. And the answer will go for the option A. I guess you are good on that. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.